In this video, I'll show you how to properly set up and use the Sunny Health and Fitness traction and stretch decompression table so you can enjoy a safe and comfortable stretching experience. Before getting started, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main adjustment points on the machine, including the height adjustment tube, height pull pin, foot holder, foot pull pin, arm holders, foam rollers, armpit foam rollers, and the crank wheel. Before lying in position, turn the crank wheel counterclockwise as far as you can to give yourself maximum adjustability for your stretch. Next, lie down on the bench and scoot your body downward so that the armpit foam rollers are firmly in your pits. This allows you to gauge the distance between your hand and the crank wheel and adjust the pull pin. Then adjust both armpit foam rollers to the necessary length, allowing you to comfortably reach the crank wheel and height pull pin while you stretch. Now place your ankles between the foam rollers and extend your legs as far as they can go naturally. If you need more space for your ankles, pull outward on the foot pull pins and adjust the space as needed. Your ankles should be supported firmly between the foam rollers, but comfortably without feeling overly tight. Lay back again. We're now able to start the stretch phase. You should feel the armpit foam rollers firmly in your pits because you shimmied down. The foot holder should be extended out as far as you can naturally push it. Reach for the crank wheel and slowly turn it clockwise towards your feet to extend the foot holder and gradually increase the stretch. Move slowly, take deep breaths, and only stretch until it feels comfortable. Never force the movement or overstretch. When you finish with your stretch, turn the crank wheel counterclockwise until you cannot feel the foot holder coming in any further. This is a locking mechanism. Now pull outward on the height pull pin and gently bring your feet and knees back towards you to the finished retraction process. Remove your arms from the support rollers and take a moment to relax before getting off the machine. Remember to start slowly and use smooth, controlled movements every time you use the decompression table. If you experience pain, dizziness, chest discomfort, shortness of breath, nausea, or lightheadedness, stop using the machine immediately. If you have any medical conditions or concerns, consult your physician before using this equipment. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Sunny Health and Fitness traction and stretch decompression table.